Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your default profile in Outlook. This is particularly useful if you manage multiple email accounts and want to ensure that Outlook opens with your preferred account every time you launch the application. Let's walk through this together step by step. First, you'll need to start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app. Once the application launches, go ahead and log into your account. You'll want to wait a moment while your emails load completely. This ensures that all your account information is properly synced and accessible for the changes we're about to make. Once your email has fully loaded and you can see your inbox, we're ready to begin the process of changing your default profile in Outlook. Navigate to the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. Here, you'll find the File tab. Click on it to open the File menu. This menu is essentially your control center for account settings and various configuration options within Outlook. After clicking on the File tab, the File menu will open up, revealing several options. Direct your attention to the right side of your screen. You'll notice an Account Settings button displayed there. Click on this button, and when you do, additional options will appear in a drop-down menu. From the presented options, you'll see Account Settings listed again. Go ahead and click on the second Account Settings option. This will launch a new window dedicated to managing your email accounts. When the Account Settings window appears, you'll notice it opens directly under the Email tab by default. This tab displays all the email profiles currently configured in your Outlook application. Take a moment to review the profiles listed here. Simply select the profile you wish to set as your default by clicking on it once. The profile will become highlighted, indicating that it's been selected. Once you've selected your preferred profile, look for an option that says Set as Default. This button will now be active and clickable since you've selected a profile. Click on Set as Default to make this change official. This action ensures that whenever you open Outlook, this particular profile will be the one that loads automatically, saving you time and streamlining your workflow. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your default profile in Outlook. This simple adjustment can make a significant difference in your daily productivity, especially if you're juggling multiple email accounts. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.